Mwanangu engineer Mutuma Edwin. Umekaribishwa kwa budho. Yaani budho ya Nyatiti yani. Unakiani winya mabere. Yaani mimi nasema umekaribishwa. Engineer, hey, engineer umeanza kunigift. Engineer rock yawa. Na sasa hiyo unajaribu kupita udongo. Na udongo ndiye alisema aimbwe wa kwanza. Yawa. Engineer, thank you so much engineer. I'm just trying to ginene to yawa tuyo cha ilungo nade. To tie the gara. Thank you so much engineer. Let me start vibe. You are welcome in the vibe. My name is Maka Mugenda for those who wanaona tu nikicheka. Ya engineer, 1 minute engineer, gini bwana nyakatue gara bwana. Engineer, when engineer wa nini bwana? Hebu sema engineer rock. Engineer wa nini? I want to know engineer by the time I'm singing engineer, nataka nijue naimba engineer ya nini. Because odongo anda pia hiyo naye najua, hiyo ni normal. Which department of engineer Omera? Where I am. Ama mimi ingine ni bwana. Now. Masa usero. Odongo. Yeah. Engineer. Wiro siepni mingi ogo. Engineer uko wapi? Odongo nene buda masa of zero rises soon. Odongo the masa of zero rises soon. Donge ase ketiga nalomoko chienka miwera sawa. Yeah, aparo iloko jezi bwana. No engineer, anyalo paro baba. Bioro nagi moba chamo matek, limo. Odongo, masa usero raiseso. Yamigori baba, yamigori suna. Wow, people from Suna Migori right now, they are in the bar. Engineer number 1, yeah. Odongo, man, Odongo. Remember, Odongo is a master of seduceology. Guys, Odongo, Omera. I like it. The minister of seduceology, yani serialization. Engineer, baba engineer, yeah. Yazuna malo suna. Engineer number 1, yeah. Wangoi, have you seen engineer Betty? I see Mufana. I don't know if it's Mufana, you know. Yeah, it's a lunchtime vibe with the traditional band. I see gentle Niken Adienge Tenda. You know Tenda is from South Africa. Yeah, Adienge Baba. Yeah, let me tell you, tender. If you have a tender of building and construction, you have to check someone like Ken. Adienge. Okoth also in the van. Dongo appear also in the bar. Man Lord. But the funny thing with Opio, he tells me that it's a mini. He have a degree in sterilization, one. You know sterilization, that's the process of seducing a lady and put it in the box and close that box with the immediate effect. Engineer Baba, yeah. Can Baba engineer, yeah. Number moja. Johnny, thank you so much, Johnny. Thank you so much for your game. I see my Lord, Apostle Elisha. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Tumlonga injinia Baba, yeah, Baba. Man from Suna. If you know Suna, the mosquito side. Johnny, yeah. Johnny, yeah. Johnny in the vibe, guys. Also, you have to check on YouTube, subscribe. Johnny. Yeah. Engineer Ken. Where are Collins Okot? Okot say, enjoy the beats, oh bro, you are paying. Maloti. Thank you so much, Maloti, to join this kind of vibe. This is a lifetime vibe. Yeah, by the time we are vibing with the great people like Engineer Ken. Ajogi, kipara. Johnny in the house. Yeah. Johnny Baba. Kenu UND. Johnny Baba. Kiapan. Lodi. Yeah. Cookie also in the side of YouTube. Ronaldo. Thank you so much, the Ronaldo. Roro, yani ukipenda. If you like, you call it Roro. Yeah. A billionaire. Yeah. Omuga Victor, Omuga Kwach. Mano, yeah. Everyone will just go one step, Johnny. Engineer, yeah. Johnny. Yeah, Engineer Tolmaka, you have to sing for great people like Johnny, like what? Yeah. Elijah Chris Apostle, Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Without God, how much is Nyatiti? Nyatiti is 20,000, my brother. Danka Karanja, communication. Yeah. Yeah. Kotobara Jabuza. Hey. What the song is that? This is a traditional vibe, my brother. There's a guy asking, what's now going on now? Elijah. Yeah, Johnny. Duncan Karanja. I sell Nyatiti at 20,000 only Kenyan shillings. Only. Yeah, with one lesson. And you know lesson is very expensive than other things. Musiki safi. I see pantry. Omera kino video kwa. Chania. Hey! Omera. I see Chani. Power also in pantry. Nyatiti to the world, Omera. He gonna. Power pantry. He gonna. Yeah. Johnny. Power pantry. Ha. He gonna. Cosmico. Ah. Yeah. a lunchtime vibe in a traditional vibe. Utakulomboga, hello. Utakulomboga, haha. Utakulomboga, do you know mboga? Utakulomboga, utakula funny, Johnny, young lady, yeah, funny, oh, funny. I see funny on the vibe. Thank you so much, my brother. This is a traditional, better play that shit, yeah. Bell King, Bell King. Funny, oh, funny, yeah. Funny, oh, funny, haha. Odichiro, oh dear, haha, Kolangomera. I want everyone to shake what Mama gave her. You gonna shake, you gonna shake, you gonna shake because it is a traditional vibe, and you know this vibe. Hakuna matata, hakuna matata, hakuna matata. If you don't have a gift, guys, you better tap up the screen. Yeah, Otichiro, Oti, 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 Oti. I see people solo. Oti, Oti, Oti. Amera. Hello. If you love somebody, you better kill him with something like lunch vibe. Yole, yole, yole. Yawa, 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 Bruno. Yawa, Bunny, Bunny. Thank you so much, Bunny, for your appreciation. Nyakwa. Hello. Ogana, ogana, kona, kona. Nitumie ya simu ama cabbage, nikutumie ya sumu. Sumu ama cabbage, nitumie ya sumu ama cabbage. Omera, I don't know what you are saying. Nyakach press, I don't know. Please rewrite your comment. You have to rewrite your comment, Omera. Keep on watching, guys. If you like the vibe, just tap the screen. My name is Maka. Remember, water is life, and no, life is not water. Water is life. Yeah, black chocolate, Omera. Hey, black chocolate. Yeah, this is a vibe now. Mako Leke. Now, guys, just allow me because I have a playlist. Destiny, hey, Destiny, 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 Destiny. I have to sing for you, Destiny. I have to sing for you. Let me scroll. Hello, Destiny. Hello, I like it. You have to say what's your destiny. Hello, when you can. Hello, I do destiny. That's like I do. Are you dancing? Haida. Hello, I share it. Destiny. Girl Toto, hello. You know, beautiful lady like Destiny, they were created. I don't know. Wow. Sava, nasi, koma sava. Yo. Ungela kwenya keni, I gonna sing to Destiny. Hello. Have you danced Nyatiti? Forget about Matiti. Grisio. Walala, I sherry shampoo. Where are you, Destiny? Walala, yeah. This in a loss. Walala, I sherry shampoo. Gonna destiny, destiny. You better know destiny. Everyone, you have to know your destination. No destiny. Don't keep running. Yeah. Hello. Where are you from? Destiny uko wapi? Wangar also divide. Where are you right now? I invite you in Kisumu. Hey! I invite you in Kisumu. I love. Turn with the dual. I love the Nyatiti. Melina, Melina, I invite destiny. Kuja tukulengege. Kisumu dala. Kisumu dala. Yeah, Kisumu dala. Ha ha. Nio. Konjolo kenikae. I wanna sing to destiny. Destiny. Where are you? Where are you? I wish I see your mama. Hello. Do you know why? Vash, do you know why? I wish I see your mama, 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 yeah, mama, mama. Melina. After this, Melina, be ready. I want to give you something very special. Thank you so much, Melina. Melina, Melina, good. Yeah. Agal tutu, Destina agal tutu, hello. Melina, Melina, have you seen this? Kumulo agal tutu, kumulo agal tutu, hey, ni ay mama, Melina, Melina, eh, kulawaya. You are this very coming. You wanna bang bang. We gonna. Hello. We gonna. Go down. You go down. Yeah. No. I destiny. Asante agal toto. Melina. This is a very special word dedication to Melina. Melina helping. Yeah. Thank you so much, Destiny. Kathy also in the vibe. Kathy, yeah. Melina. I see Kathy. Melina. Yeah. Do you know what? Melina, do you know what? Destiny, do you know something? We gonna. Yeah! I want to tell you something. Something bring happiness. Melina, music bring happiness. Melina, Katia, Melina, Atuti mila, Atuti mila, Sumani, Melina, yeah, Melina, where are you, Melina? Anima, yeah, we gonna. Destiny, have you seen Melina? You say, thank you so much for the gift. Good afternoon. Yeah, Asante sana. I don't know your name. I would like to vibe with you, Melina. Do you know how low men call ladies? Melina, where are you? I don't see you in my bar. You make me go crazy. Mulina. Mulina, don't worry. Asante sana. Mulina, miela. Mulina, miela. Yeah. Melina. Thank you, Melina. Sijakuona. I wish I tell you what I want to tell you, but I have not seen you. Yeah. Yeah. Mulina dance. Destiny dancing. Mulina dancing. Now this is a traditional vibe. With maka. Yeah. Thank you so much, Mulina, for your gift. Yambamba. Yambamba. Yeah, thank you guys. You know, I have not. Keep on watching. Thank you so much, Malena. Thank you so much, Mulina. I see you people from United States also watching. Yeah. This is a very beautiful Fully see African spirit on one love. Thank you so much, my brother. Yeah, one love make get together right now. Mulina. No, I want to sing one song here. I'm still loading. Yeah. No. Russia, Melina. I see lion on the back. Melina, Michi Bloom. Abile. Where are you, Melina? Melina, are you ready? Musina also in the vibe. Are you ready, Melina, for this song? If you like, you can record it now. Because if it's not now, I don't know what time. Melina, are you still there or you're gone? I see man half. Lion. Yeah, this is welcoming song. Hello. The voice on the van. Kajon. Yeah. Jimmy Baba. Have you seen Melina? Jimmy Baba. Muhaful. Rhino. Johnson, Lodi, Melina, Mommy, Joe, Destiny also the vibe. Langoma, yeah, Daniela. Papa, you are welcome. You are Ruby. I see Faba. Destiny, thank you so much. Missy. Hello. Everton. Pony dance. Yeah. Natoti dance. Yeah, man. Natoti dance. Yeah. Natoti dance. Please, from which country? Squaws. I'm from Kenya. Muhammad. Yeah. Muhammad. Orgasmo. Yeah. Edita. Orgasmo. Yeah. Orgasmo. Utakulangege. Orgasmo is like a movie. Tilapia. Orgasmo. Yeah. Thank you you so much for your support, Ogasmo. I'm a full lion. Ah. Ronaldo, eh? Ogasmo. Only Ogasmo. I like that name, my brother. Muna Abebe. Ogasmo. Ogasmo. Yeah? Ogasmo. Ogasmo. Ha ha. Yelele, yelele. Ogasmo. Thank you so much, my brother. Moham full lion. Moham full babai. Moham full babai. What? Mosenya. Ah. Ogasmo. Have you seen Moham's full lion? Lion. Lion. Idol. Yeah, guys, tap the screen mamera. Kwani hiyo ni maombi hawa. Keep on watching, guys. I don't know how to appreciate Joshua. Remember, this is a traditional wine. I'm full. I'll call you lion. Hello, Eva. Never die. Are you getting the vibe? Never die. Ah. Yeah, this is a voice from Manchester. Thank you so much for your compliments. Karanja. I see Rastaman. Barakanyo you. Barakanyo you. Barakanyo. Zara. Raha. Sahih. Yeah. Ancestor. Lion. Jan. Allen. Lion. Nyaja Poch. Yep. They say Rastaman never die. They rest in peace. Ah, you have to know that. Yeah. Yawa jogi stranger. Otien. Allen nene Buddha Mugenda. Lion Rastaman. Live in Zion. Nani nene Buddha Mugenda. Laure. Bless Johnny. Haha. Twende sasa. Ulangoma. Yeah. Ulangoma. Teresa da. Muhaful. Blessing. I take it there. Alena. Wete penja. Hello. Wolo kojoro minisela. Wolo kojoro minisela ki masiri. Right now I'm vibing my vernacular, that's my language. Mugenda. Yeah, lion gonna, yeah, sha. I see food. Ever food. I see food jungle. Ever. It's the time now. I don't want time. I don't have the time to go sleep. Yeah, to go sleep. It's the time to dance. No time time I thought lion to go see, yeah, to say more. Ricky Henry, yeah, Kulawa, we gonna dance it, yeah, Kulawa, Mukoya, 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 hey, I see Traore, hey, I never see the picture of Traore, my brother. Respect to Traore African, hey, one of them, B. Rastaman, I love the energy, brother. Yeah, you have to get that energy, my brother. If you want to perform, you have to have that energy. For your audience, guys, if you want to maintain the energy, the same energy, my brother, you have to have it. You have to do a lot of exercise. Come on, Gatti. If you say Ibrahim Traore is the king, you have to salute my brother. That's the salute, bro. Yeah, you know, they fight for rights. Yeah. I see you long time ago. Mr. Love, I see the cross and love. Thank you so much, my brother. I don't know how your name. African Prince, yeah, Galmutua. I see African Prince. Na. How is UK? There's a lot of wind now in Kenya. Yeah. Everyone is fighting. Hello for freedom. Mutua. I see African Prince. Here is beautiful, not hot. You can all laugh. You can all laugh. You can all laugh. Yeah. Kanya. African Prince. Right now I want you to go down. Go down. Go down. Yeah. Shake your waist. Come bang bang. Hey, Milo. Milo. Yeah, this African Prince. Dinae. Young people are hustling. Hey, Rastaman, young people are hustling. With a degree, with a master's, some people with a PhD. There is not help in Africa. Freedom fighter. I see Lion Rastaman. Young people are hustling. Lie. Say, baby, Shelim, stop crying. Baby, Shelim, stop crying. Shelim. Auntie, baby, Shelim, stop crying. Guys, I don't know how to appreciate your time, African Prince. By the time I see you, I have to say, African Prince, Igwe, Igwe. Yeah, African Prince. Let's go. Right now we are going to the room now. I see, look. Congratulations, Jen. Jenny bado mapambano. Alunge, I'm African prince. Yeah, are you dancing? Rodin have like some like fire. Marks also the fire. Yeah, Matthias Baba. Have you seen African prince, mama? I got to yeah, lion. I got to African prince. Yeah, DJ Pierre. Hello, DJ Carolina Mamake. Matthias Yama, have you seen African prince? I got lady, I got mama number one. Yeah, African lady. Have you seen the beautiful lady by the name African prince? She's a beauty, yeah, natural beauty. Sindai, Africa. Yeah. Kulangova, kona. Yeah. Omera, kill me with a gift there, top of the screen. What in the case? So now it's raining outside, guys. I have to shift now. Going inside there. African Prince now I'm shifting. Omera, there's a lot of rain now. I don't know why, but because of safety, I have to move now. I have to move, guys. Yeah, because of safety. For safety purpose. Now moving. Take care, see in the cover. Wow, yeah, that's safety. Yeah, because of safety, guys. You know, by the time it's rain, it can cause trouble to my phone, my telephone. Let me bring my chair now. Let me bring my chair. 1 minute, guys. In here. Yeah, as quick as that. One. As quick as that. Now we have continued until the same time. By the time we are closing the pipe, you know it. Let's continue now. Cory. Hi, Cory, my God. Don't let go. Love, respect. Africa, now this is a time you have to get the vibe. Not tomorrow, only today. Not tomorrow, yeah, Mama King. Only today, yeah. Africa, Spain. I don't know how to appreciate you. Juliana, Amir, Yeah. Have you get this sound before? No, you are ghost. Ah. Da, da, da. Da, 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 yeah. Thank you so much, African Fish, for sharing the video. Da, da, da. Sharing the light. Da, da, da. Your ear, Romano. Yeah, Romano. Wow. There's a lot of Cinda, great day, night. I saw good night. Cinda, it's now night. Yeah, wow. Never give up. I love the art. Thank you so much, my brother. Never give up. Adnasa. Okay. How are you, Vereno? Thank you so much for your support. Vereno, brother. Thank you so much. We are here with African Dream. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. I see Hakuna Matata. Hakuna name. Yalala, yalala, there's a lot of rain waves. Wind is now blowing, guys. Thank you so much, Tutu. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, there's a lot of wind now. Wind is blowing very high. Tutu, thank you so much, my brother. Kafia. 10,000 divide. Where you attire? My attire. Guys, my attire. Don't call them attire. No, we call them regalia. We call them regalia. We call them regalia. Tender, this regalia. My regalia. They are now inside the house. You know, right now it's raining. By the time it's rain, lawyer, regalia. Yeah, that's it. Not call it how. Wow. Yeah, let me see my list now. I want to see what I can play for you. You know, I have a big list. Okay, before I play the song, I know someone like Tender. I have to explain for you this kind of song. The main reason why I play it right now. This is a song. This guy Ayub Bogada play this song to ask the shepherd to bring back the cows, the cattle. So because it's now almost raining. So that's the main reason the guy composed this song. We call it Kotbiro. That means rain is almost coming. It's now almost raining. So that's the song is know when I am speaking in my language. Don't ask. Thank you so much, Luli. Un coro ti prepare, oddio, che ludo che dà. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's a request for African Prince. You know African Prince have been in Kenya, so you know a lot of culture. Are you recording artist? Do you have a song on YouTube? Yeah, I have a YouTube. You will see my song there. There are a lot of songs. I have almost. Just check my name, the same name I use in TikTok, Maka Mugenda. You will see a lot of videos, a lot of songs there. Kayla, beautiful from USA, Kayla. Kayla first. I see Kenda, but the boy. I see Kayla. Hello. Art designer. How are you, designer? You are welcome, designer. You are welcome, designer. We are here with it. Kenda. Morning, Telemuna. I can't go in Telemuna. ndani wewe, ako ndani. Yeah, ako ndani. Anasikia ngoma. Tenda mama, ako ndani. Tenda is a vibe. Yeah. Yeah. When should I be singing? Even today, Tenda. Even today, Tenda. Hello. When you are ready, let me know, Tenda. When you are ready, let me know. Hello. You are welcome in Kenya. I'll host you. Gracia, Calypso, remember, yeah. Anytime you are ready, I'm waiting, come Tenda, yeah. Yeah, oh Tenda, yeah, Tenda, yeah. Listen to the vibe. I just booked a flight. Wow, I'm waiting. Yeah, listen. Tenda, Messi, have you seen Tenda? Yeah. I wish I have dollars. I book a flight now, going to South Africa. Johannesburg. You see Tenda? I see Constrani. Yeah. Constrani Dantindo. Come I will host you. Yeah. Constantine Dindo. That name is very delicate. Constantine. Yeah. Let me leave it. Thank you so much, Constantine. Yeah. Goodbye, Almas. Goodbye. My phone is now dying. Goodbye, Tenda. Yeah. I'm coming to see Tenda Messina. Constantino, Mama D. You will love. Everyone now, this is dance time now. Go to dance, Tenda dance, will she dance, dance, yeah, dance. Hello, Papa baby, Papa ha ha, yeah, Tenda. Goodbye, Tenda mama. Goodbye, yay! Messi. Thank you so much, Tenda. That's the vibe now, guys. You are welcome. Thank you so much, guys, for those who are watching. If you'll be online, you can subscribe also in my YouTube channel. It's Maka Mugenda. Subscribe, watch Maka Mugenda. Maka with M-A-K-A space Mugenda, guys. Serena Mary, how are you? Serena Mary, I see you watching. You are welcome. Yeah, Tenda will be Zubi Jonango boy na bwana. Pimna bwana, kwa pima ke. Bwana ke ko twe niro kama no mama. Ko twe old mama katango nito. Yola. Konasani. Mr. Kizito, how are you? Nasayo hero wami wakot kamaratari. Yeah. Umechana maka. Yobi won mama. We are going makamara. Yana nuevo ya como le pomaka. Ah. Yana nuevo ya como le pomaka. Oero kumbi. Anabinda kumbi. Yeah. Anabinda John. She like kumbi. Ulolo kumbi. Ah. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Michael Samuel. Yiriba kawono kamoa. Yana kawanya komora kete. Kade goto mari. Yeah. Iran emogeto. Ah. Joey Baba. Ah. Abraham. Yeah. Abeda bombe. Ai bombe. Halo. Bombe sigara anaezacha. Lakini juskade. Haha. You can't leave. Hawa. Yeah. John. Zubijo. Mano di Maraj. Yeah. Rahuri Makajuri. Ah. You know Joey. There's a guy by the name Buffalo. Soldier. Buffalo. Ida. Joey. That's a story I want to tell you. I've already tell you. Mohawa. I was creating a story by the time I was playing Mohawa. It's a long time. Thank you so much, Ida. Yeah. Ida mama, where have you been? Can you talk with Joey? Yeah. Have you talked with Joey? Ida, have you seen Joey? Ida mama, are you? Yeah. Joey ka odiero buwan mano odiero. It's a long time since I see you. Zombie Baba Caudiero. Yeah. Zombie Caudile. Zombie. Yeah. Sina. I see Sina. Good morning. Yeah. Good afternoon, Sina. Midday, I think it's midday now. It does mama dance. Hello. Zina, where are you? Hi, Zina, where are you? Zina, Zina. Ha ha. Zina, oh Zina. Maria, mama. Yeah, Maria on the bar. Mira mamá de mi loco. Zina, 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 Zina. Can you come together to see Joey, my brother? Ha ha! Yeah! Joey, guardo pesa. Dai che già lo vedo che pesa. Zina, oh Zina, Matthew! Yeah! Ya no peña goyo. Yeah, Sina, you are welcome. How are you, Sina? Wow, how are you? How are you? How are you? Are you fine? I'm really fine. I see you. I'm happy to see you watching. Yeah, I'm vibing pretty good, like vibe. Francisco Roberto Calvino. Omar also in the vibe. Welcome, Sina, Sina, Sina. I'm fine. I see Mark. Angonika. Gaku family. Malu. Malu. Yeah. But God. Mama, yeah. In the beginning, love is so sweet. Some people cannot sleep without saying, Mama, Mama, you may love, Papa. Yeah. Sinalele, sinalele, sinahalu. Yeah. Sinahalu, my child. The ceiling, Brazil, I see Roberto, Pascalia, the ceiling, to be what mama, haha, ngata ko jam offer, what the hell, yo, wallo kerauta. In the beginning, love is so sweet. Some people cannot sleep without saying, Mama, Mama, Papa. Sometimes at the end, lovers separate. I can't stay without you. I can't stay without you. Yeah, I'm a happy single mother. Yeah, that's the story about love, by the way. Funny Mandy, how are you? Sina, I'm really happy to see you so much. Zubi, my brother, I don't know how to appreciate your time. Sometimes by the time you are alive, you have to invite me, Zubi. Everyone watching, by the time you are alive, you have to invite me. And you give me your timeline. Yeah. Keep on watching, tap the screen, guys. Kill me with a gift if you have. Famandi, yep. Famandi, erokamano, nade. Nyatiti pigling used to be sema hivi when you was teeny, hiyo gongalo. Hey, what? Nyatiti way? Nyatiti Pingeling, pingeling, nyatiti, tung 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 tung. Sema hivyo when we fasting. Gongalo, gongalo. I think something like that. Pingaling, pingaling, bungalow, bungalow, yeah. Pingaling, pingaling, all right. Bungalow, bungalow, pingaling, pingaling, yeah. I wanna remind you, all right. Pingaling, pingaling, zombie, pingaling, pingaling, bungalow, nyatiti, hello, bungalow, nyatiti, sina, kulawai, 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 yeah, esengu on the vibe, esengu pambali. And if dancing Nyatiti, haha, pingeling, pingeling, yeah. Nyatiti, Nyatiti, wanna make me feel alright. Singelu, singelu, yeah. Hey, singelu, are you ready? I'm on a vibe with a pingeling, pingeling, wandering right. Kena kami, yeah. Zambulu, Zambulu, yeah. Kamila, pingeling, pingeling, gongolo, gongolo, pingel, Fabish. I remind someone long time ago. They have to say, pingeling, pingeling, yeah. Blood connection. Pingeling, pingeling, gongalo, gongalo. Gonna make me confused. Pingeling, pingeling, yeah. All right. Yeah. Omoni, yeah, Sangulu, yeah, hello, I see, Jambo Alexi, we are here with the Zubi Joey, haha, yeah. Josephine, gonna dance, yeah. Gonna dance, Scottish. Gonna dance, I see Scottish also on the bar. Esingul. Gonna dance, pingeling. I know that one, Omera. Gonna, Alexi. Wow. If you want to see the instrument, a single. Thanks so much. If you want to see the instrument, this is the instrument I play. There's a guy tell me that I put something like a radio, and I put a beat, and now singing with the beat. I'm not singing with the beat. I play the instrument, and even you will see when I pluck. Omera Zubi, say a single. Where are you from? A single. A single. Is a single. Where are you from? Thank you so much. I appreciate your presentation, Zubi, my brother. Inka Betty, how are you? Ni handsome. Enka Baba, Enka Betty. Anka. Oh, and Anka. Anka Betty, I'm really sorry. Bad pronunciation. Pretty. Guten Tag. Wie heißt Sie? Alexi. Wie heißt Sie? Esengol. Ich bin Maka. Ich spiele ein Instrument namens Nyatiti. Yeah, this is the last song. Alex, you say I'm handsome. Thank you so much. Joey, come up big hand. Yeah, Ruby. Sing a dancing. Joey on top with Joey, Boko with the baby. Joey, yeah. Para Joey Jamova. Para Joey. Yeah, Ivora. Alex. If you don't mind, if you don't, yeah. Joey and Joey. Usimwage hizo nini? Oya. Usimwage hiyo nini? Hiyo maji. Naomba tu. Joey. Yeah. Amen. Can you sing great? Amen. 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 Yeah. Amen. Ha ha. Kula. Love. Zina. Amen. Yeah. Amen. Idale. Amen. Yeah. Amen. Ah. Amen. Bamba. Amen. Bamba. Amen. Bamba. Amen. Amen. Dimia. Holy Guna. Zubi Garajo. Gani Garajo. Yeah. Ah. Jovi nyalo se non gira pa. Jovi enga majamu. Jovi bokno pia. Jovi arme. Gonna buy arme. Hey. Yeah. Mona. I gonna mon. Generilla mon. Mona. Yeah. Ha ha. Yeah. Mona, oh Mona. Hey, I see you too. Yeah. Thank you so much, Joy. Diego, Diego, Mona, 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 Mona. Yeah. 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 Mona, a la vez, a la vez, Mona, Mona, Mona. Chicoro, chico, 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 chicoro, chicoro. Yeah. Ban, ban, ban. Ha ha. Hello. Ah. Yeah. Go to buy Mona. Yeah. Wow. Guys, thanks so much, guys, my brother Kistra. If you have gift you want to give me like right now, just keep put down, kill me with the gift, guys. David Corner, I successor. How are you, my brother? I see David's also on the vibe. Yeah, my name is Maka Mugenda. I really see you. I'm really happy to see you, David, my brother. That's the vibe, and I say right now I have to just break. I have to break. And before I break, any request before I go now, any request, Davis, any request, any question. Okay, if there's no question, you can check on my YouTube channel, subscribe. Say Maka Mugenda. Tap Maka Mugenda, subscribe on my YouTube channel. That's my haha. Endelea kupiga muziki bwana. Nyatiti we, nyatiti pingelingeling wewe, omera we kwala bwana. Haya, endelea kupiga muziki de. Omera, nyatiti. I would like to continue. Wow, I see. Keep on watching. I don't know how. Hey, I don't know how to say, to read that one. Ha traps. Hey, I don't know how to read. Thank you so much, Manguno. Nyatiti tingelingeling, nyatiti. My username is Maka Mugenda, Maka with M-A-K-S space Mugenda, guys. I really love you. I don't know how to appreciate you for being patient, watching me every day, amigo. I don't know which amigo is this, but thanks so much, my brother, for watching. Zubi, I really appreciate your time. My beautiful lady from Germany, danke. I really, ich bin Maka Mugenda, the short la musique Chapelle Nyatiti. Joviado right now. Yeah, that people from France, we say, ich bin je m'appelle Maka Mugenda, the short la musique Chapelle Nyatiti. Joviado Kisumu Dala. Omera, I'm from Kisumu. If you know that language. Thank you so much, my brothers. I don't know how to appreciate you. Let me charge my phone because right now my phone is going, and now that's the end of my vibe. May God bless you. What the song is about, I don't know. I will explain for you, and right now you have already gone. That's the question from YouTube side. You know, I stream both sides. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Have a nice time. I love you. I love you. I love you. This is for love. I love you so much. Zubi bwana, hero bwana, kuna hero mara mabercha. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice time. Hata wewe kijana. Ngwen kende. Agora kwede, sai ro kamano.